So now we'll edit our initial prompt to be able to switch between the different versions. And there I'll add this prompt here. So we still want to write this article. Now we target tech-related people as audience. And I want to have a list with SEO relevant keywords first. These should be included in the later article, but first I just want to have this list. So now we have our list with keywords. You can dive deeper into this SEO topic if you want to. We'll just use this list as a starting point now for our next prompt. There I now want to have an outline first. I could let ChatGPT again generate the full article, but first I want to have a look at the outline to see whether the topics covered are in line with my expectations and what I want to have in this article. I also mentioned that the outline should be the base for the article later, but that the article should not exceed 1,200 words, so hopefully the outline is also not too long. And now we get a totally different result. Instead of the boring list of, well, historical events related to the iPhone, we now get a clearly structured outline talking about different topics about the iPhone in general and what it meant to the industry, the first iPhone, design-related topics, the ecosystem, and so on. So with that, we have a way better structure already, which actually sounds a lot more exciting. Now we could dive deeper here again. I won't do that because I want to show you another way how to write this article. But of course, if you want to, you could now tell ChatGPT to write the article based on the outline. The article must not be longer than 1,200 words. And that's now a totally different kind of article comparing it to the initial one. Lots of exciting topics are included. Of course, some of these only with one sentence due to the limit of 1,200 words that I added. But still, this is one way to write much more exciting articles that have the potential to be read by a lot more people. So this is more a step-by-step approach, but considering the things we learned in the prompt engineering module, we could also write one prompt only following some of these guidelines that contains all core constraints, and that should result in a great article with just one single prompt. Let's see how this works in the next lecture.